Industry. Economic activity concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacturing of goods. The automobile industry is growing rapidly. She works in the technology industry. The fashion industry sets new trends each year. Pollution is a major issue in the industry. The food industry requires strict hygiene standards.